Hello my dear students, as you all know, we have started with the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, and in that we have studied the introduction part, complete classification of the haloalkanes and haloarenes with respect to the examples we have studied, and also we have studied the nomenclature part of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, now let us understand the nature of carbon halogen bond. Then we will move for the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, carbon, X means halogen, where X may be fluoride, chloride, bromide, or it may be iodide. See, we all know that the halogen atom is more electronegative than the carbon atom. Because of the more electronegativity of the halogen atom, the partial polarity arises between the carbon and halogen atom. Therefore, the partial charge separation arises. Hence, the halogen atom gets a partially negative charge and carbon atom gets a partially positive charge. Partial polarity arises. Okay, this partial polarity makes this bond quite weaker. Means what? We can easily break down the carbon halogen bond. To make it to understand, I have told about this partial polarity. Got it? And we know that as we go down the group, fluoride, chloride, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, as we go down the group, the size of the atom increases. Therefore, the size of the size of this CF is more than the Cl, Cbr, and what next? Cf. Okay, here the size increases. Okay, remember, size increases. Okay, yes. With this knowledge, we will go for the preparation of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay. Now, write the heading, preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Yes, what is preparation? I just write as preparation. Preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. You write as preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay. Haloalkanes and haloarenes can be prepared by three methods which are given in your syllabus. Okay. One is by using the alcohols. First method for the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes is what? By using the alcohols, or by using halogen exchange method, or by using hydrocarbons. Three methods are given. In the hydrocarbon, by using hydrocarbons, there are again different methods. We'll study it later. Okay. First, we'll study the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes by using what? Alcohols. By using alcohols. See. By using the alcohols and use of alcohols in the preparation of haloalkanes is the best method. Okay, because the ROH is a general formula of the alcohol. This hydroxyl group can be easily replaced by the halide group, isn't it? That is what we need to do, isn't it? The hydroxyl group of the alcohols can be easily replaced by the halogen. So therefore, by using the alcohols, the haloalkanes can be easily prepared. See, general formula of the alcohols. Okay, with the alcohols, we can use hydrogen acids. Hydrogen acids mean concentrated hydrogen acids like H2SO4, HCl, etc. Okay, or with the alcohol, I can use phosphorus halides. Phosphorus halides. Example, it may be phosphorus trihalide or it may be phosphorus pentahalide. Or with the alcohol, we can also use thionyl chloride. Okay, this is the best method out of these three. Okay, why it is the best method? We'll see later. Okay, by using alcohol, with the alcohol we can use acid, hydrogen acids, or phosphorus halides, or thionyl chloride. Got it? Remember. See, alcohol, first acid chloride I told, and acid halide, hydrogen halides. Sorry, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, like that. Okay, first I'll take hydrogen chloride. When alcohol is heated with the hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, I am using here zinc chloride as a catalyst. When there is a need of catalyst, if the alcohol is either primary or secondary, we need to use the zinc chloride as a catalyst. If I am taking the tertiary alcohol, I need not to go for the catalyst. Okay, see, replacement of OH groups takes place. What is the side product? H2O. What it is? Alkyl chloride. It is what? Alkyl chloride. Okay. Let us write an example. Where R is there? We use the CH3. Don't go for the benzene ring. CH3 OH is what? Methyl alcohol plus HCl in the presence of zinc chloride as a catalyst. I'll get what? Methyl chloride as a product. Name of this product is what? Methyl chloride. Okay. This is one. Next, in second case, I am taking the alcohols. With the alcohols, phosphorus halide. If I take phosphorus, P, phosphorus trihalide. It may be phosphorus chloride or phosphorus fluoride, bromide, iodide, like that. Phosphorus trihalide, PX3, or I will just write as PX3, phosphorus trihalide, ROH. See what is formed, what I want, RX. Okay, as 3X are there, 3 halogen atoms are there, I will take 3 OH here. So 3 times RX is formed. Then side product H3 PO3. H3, see, 3 times H, P 1 time O, H3 PO3 is a side product. Then what it is? Alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl halide. See, suppose I want to prepare alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide particularly. Chloride means directly I can go with this reaction. But if I want to prepare alkyl bromide or iodide, then I have to take here phosphorus trihalide directly I have taken. But if I want to prepare the alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide, what should I use? I have to use the red phosphorus with halogen. Which halogen? It may be Br2 or it may be I2. Is that clear, students? If I want to prepare alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide, I can't take the phosphorus tribromide or phosphorus triiodide directly. Instead of that, what should I do? I have taken the red phosphorus and respective halide, okay, in the reaction mixture. So this is called as in situ preparation. Okay, we are not taking PH3 directly. We have taken red phosphorus and respective halogen. These two react to form a phosphorus tribromide or phosphorus triiodide. Okay, to form the product. This method is in situ preparation. Got it? Okay. See, one more. Phosphorus trihalide halide I have written? Phosphorus pentahalide. ROH pentahalide. Let us take an example. PCl5. What is the name of this? Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. What I want? I want the product alkyl chloride. Okay, alkyl chloride. Then POCl3 is one of the side product. 1 and 3, 4 are there. Then what? HCl. Okay, alkyl chloride, alkyl halide. You have to write it, isn't it? So this is the reaction for the preparation of the alkyl chloride by taking phosphorus pentachloride. See, what one more is remaining? Reaction of alcohols with the thionyl chloride. See, reaction of alcohols with the thionyl chloride. Formula is SOCl2. RCl is formed plus HCl is formed plus SO2. It is what? Alkyl chloride. We can also write the example, isn't it? You people can write it. Alcohol. Okay, methyl alcohol is taken, methyl chloride is formed like that. But, and what it is? It is thionyl chloride. But what the point to be concentrated here? See, now the question arises whether the HCl can be taken, whether using HCl with the alcohol for the preparation of alkyl halide, or using phosphorus trihalide, or using phosphorus pentahalide, or using the thionyl chloride, which is the better method, which is the best method. Okay, out of these all reactions I have written, this is the best method. Okay, this is preferred. This is preferred over all methods. Why this is best method? Very important it is, and mark this reaction as important reaction asked in the previous board exams. Okay, why this method is important for the preparation of the alkyl halides? This method is important because in this method the formed side products are gases. Formed side products are easily escapable gases. When we carry out this reaction, the HCl gas and sulfur dioxide gas escape out from the reaction mixture, and only pure alkyl chloride remains. Therefore, this is the most preferred method out of all these methods. Got it? Mark this reaction as important reaction. Got it? Okay. This is all about the preparation of the alkyl halides by using alcohols. See. Then what the point to be remembered here? What the point to be remembered here? See, I am stressing these method by using alcohol. This method is the method only for the preparation of the alkyl halides, but not for the preparation of aryl halides. So what is the first point? This method is not used for the I write in short, okay, preparation of aryl halides. This method is not used for the preparation of aryl halides because, see, in short, because in aryl halides, see, aryl halide means benzene ring halogen bond. Okay, in aryl halides, this carbon halogen bond has the partial double bond character. In aryl halides, CX bond has partial double bond character. Therefore, it is difficult to break the bond. it is difficult to break the bond. Okay. Now see in the while writing the resonance structures of the phenol, you know, isn't it? It will get the partially double bond character. It will get the partial double bond character. Okay, we know that breaking of double bond is quite difficult than the breaking of the single bond. Here, in case of alkyl, in case of alcohols, this bond can be easily broken. But in case of this one, phenol, breaking of this bond is not so easy. It is quite difficult. Okay, remember, important point it is. Okay, next one. The order of reactivity of alcohols with halogens is the order of reactivity of the alcohols to form halogens is. I've told, see, ZnCl2 catalyst is needed only for the secondary and primary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols will easily react with the HCl to form the alkyl halides. No need of any catalyst here. Therefore, tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary, which are more reactive than primary alcohols. Got it? Okay. In your NCERT textbook, one more reaction is given for the preparation of the alkyl halides, that is with the sodium bromide. Okay, with the sodium NaBr. You can complete the reaction. One more example is given here. With the sodium Br and H2SO4. Okay, HCl how we used it here? They have used H2SO4 or Br, alkyl bromide, plus NaHSO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate as a side product, plus what is remaining? H2O. This is also one of the reaction given in your NCERT. Okay. Yes, students, hope the preparation of the alkyl halides by using the alcohols is clear for you. Okay. In the next video, we'll discuss about the preparation of the alkyl halides by using the hydrocarbons as well as by using the halogen exchange method. Thank you.